In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create levels in Microsoft Word. If you want to create levels in Word, first you go to mailing option, then here you can see level option. Simply click on it, write the level what you want. Here is the address. If you want to add any product number or something else from here, you can see the type option. Now create new document. This is the full of your levels. Simply go to design, select all, rating. Your levels are created. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for more new interesting videos.